Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys hear a big fan in the background, that is because the heater just kicked on. Some of my viewers might not know what this thing is. This is a Paramotor. This is what makes me fly. This is the Monster 185 from Vittorazi. It's the MY18 with the airbox above, not down here. If you guys know what Paramotors are, you will understand that. Just warmed it up. Runs great. A little smoky, but that's normal. I'll get some fresh fuel in it, fresh oil. Some things real quick. I just want to make this video about like new people, how it works. This is not instruction. This is just how it works. You have your throttle in this hand, so that's what makes the motor go, like the throttle on a car, a motorcycle, whatever you want. These are the connection points for your wing. So once the wing picks up, this will lift up on both sides. Then the seat will come underneath you. You can get out of the seat. It's kind of hard to explain, but your feet will be out kind of downwards. But if you just kind of lean yourself back, you'll go right into the seat. There are two leg straps. These are kind of important. If you don't have these, you might fall out. Then there's this is for the leg. This one's a chest one chest, and then you have one more chest, this one. And that's your connection points, and that's how this lifts up on this to put you under the seat. That's about it. You got your pull handle, pull start. They do make this in an electric, but the extra weight to just pull, and like I said, this thing is so easy to start. So you do have underneath here where your bum goes, there is a wooden plate, wooden thing that these things are kind of fed through. What else? You do have on this side a pocket. I don't really use it. And then your reserve side, which I don't use that for my reserve either. I connect it to my left. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys a little in-depth of how paramotors work. One thing I really wanted to say real quick, I did say that the motor is Vittorazi, but the motor company doesn't make the frame. The frame company is different than the motor. The frame is made by Parajet right there. So that is that. So that's all I wanted to explain real quick. The motor is different than the frame. Thank you guys again.